Introducing our premium gold stainless steel table base with PVD coating. Made from high-quality stainless steel 304, known for its excellent corrosion resistance and safety. It's used in everyday items like tumblers and cookware. Now let's put these base through a scratch resistance test to show the durability of the PVD coating. No scratches, proving the durability of the PVD coating and its ability to resist everyday wear and tear. Now let's test the strength with a weight load challenge. We'll stack multiple heavy tabletops and see how much they can handle. The base remains sturdy and reliable, even under heavy pressure. Next, we simulate harsh conditions with a saltwater spray to check for corrosion. No signs of rust or corrosion. The PVD coating offers excellent protection. Lastly, let's test the stability of our adjustable base. Whether on an uneven surface or a perfectly flat floor, they can be leveled for ultimate stability. Thanks to the adjustable feature, your table will always stay balanced, no matter the surface.